Next question. If a person has to eat or drink in order to save his or her life, does that mean that they have to make up that fast later on, or is it accepted, that fast?
If a person is dying, as you say, dying of hunger or dying of thirst,
yes,
while fasting, if he feels hungry and thirsty, and if he feels that if he does not take something, does not take some food or does not take some water, it will damage some of his organs of the body. If he feels his life is threatened or may cause a major damage to some of his organs, then if he breaks the fast to save his life, it is accepted. Allah will forgive him, but he will have to make up for his fast after the month of Ramadan is over. But if someone finds it hard, difficult to fast, because if he's doing a laborious work or he's finding difficulties, he's feeling thirsty, in this case, breaking the fast is a sin. But if he's really dying of hunger, and then if he breaks, Allah will forgive him, but he'll have to make up for the fast later on.